So what you're gonna need is glitter any color of your choice, Mod Podge, fabric paint, a brush, any shoe that you want to DIY, and newspaper. Now I'll take fabric paint and paint my shoe like so. If your shoe color is of your choice, then you can skip this step. Make sure you take a shoe that is made of rough fabric, because if you try to apply paint on smooth fabric, it won't stay as good as on rough fabric. Let dry for 5 hours. Take Mod Podge and apply an even layer on your shoe. Do this section by section as it is easier. Now sprinkle glitter and press gently. Using same color shoe and same color glitter will make it look more nicer.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Let dry for 8 hours.
Through the highways.
Now I'll be gently dusting off excess glitter.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Apply a thin layer of Mod Podge all over the glitter just to seal everything in. When you take Mod Podge in your brush, make sure you spread it evenly on the brush as well.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow.
These shoes are washable, but only wash them after 24 hours, not before that.
Turn us to thousands.
This is how it looks once dried.
We'll go
And we are done!
through the